Hello, I'm Lola, and in this tutorial we will show how to embed third-party apps. If it supports iframes, you can integrate it, whether it's Miro, Google Docs, your own special hosted app, YouTube, and more within our daily calls with the Plus version of the video conferencing plugin. This is a feature that is exclusively available in the Plus version. And so let us get into it. In this tutorial, we're going to embed the Google Docs. We're going to embed Google Docs so that we can have calls where we can collaborate together on a Google Doc. So this feature can be useful for collaborative apps, for apps where you may want to watch the same thing together, like YouTube videos. There are a variety of different use cases and templates for different embeds, which are in the docs that accompany this video, which I will link in the show notes. So first thing I do is I make sure that I install the Plus version of the plugin. So Plus, not the free version. And we are going to put in our daily events element. So first, I've said this before, but I really like to put this daily events element on inside a pop-up. It gets out of the way. It does not obstruct the UI in any way. And with the events element, I can listen for different actions that occur. Our workflow here is we are going to join a room, and then when we join a room, we're going to set our integrations, whichever integrations we want. So first I'm going to put this element here, and we're just going to put this element, daily a plus events element. And we're gonna, when page is loaded, we're going to create a room and join a room. So you can just create any room and join it. It doesn't need any special permissions. To start integrations, to set integrations, anybody can set them and start them. So we'll just do we'll join a full screen room, no meeting token. And then we'll also add this join meeting event. And this is where our magic will happen, because we will then set our custom integration. So fill out some fields here. No, the integration ID, that's going to be something that we actually provide. And it's useful if you want to stop integrations later. You'll let that action know, hey, these are the integrations we're stopping. Label, this is going to be what's actually going to show up in the UI of our call. Below lazy, we'll make it in the main side. We will also add a icon. Brand fetch is a really great place for just finding icons, but just needs to be a URL. And then the source, you have two options. You could do a source doc, like if you wanted to actually put some code, like embed code, or you can just have the source URL. I put both of them in the same place, but this is going to be the icon, and then this is going to be the Google Doc that I'm going to embed. And it can be a dynamic value, it can be a static value. And let's try it out. So let's preview. I am actually going to make this false, so debug mode false, so it could just load. Oh, also first thing as well is we must not forget to add the event listening action. Without the event listening action here, our meeting events won't trigger. So let's re-preview that. Again, making this false so we can get in here. I'm gonna pause that. We see that there's this new section in the UI that says apps, and we have this new Google Doc app. These are the same configurations that we put in here. We can open our Google Doc. Cool, I'm in Google Docs, and I'm not just looking at the Google Doc like a screen share. I'm actually collaborating. So hey, I'm editing this Google Doc in my call. And that's it. And you can have a variety of apps. You can chain these. This clear existing, like if you wanted to add multiple, like I could make it say something else. Like this could be just like a doc embed. I can call it Google Doc 2. If we go in here, we'll see that we'll have 2 apps. So Google Doc 1, Google Doc 2, we can get in here. So it's a feature which you can use with, again, any app that you can host through, any iframe hosted internet website, thing on the internet that you can host through an iframe or an app. And you can use this to collaborate in real time on different things like Miro, watch videos together, do Spotify jams. So would love to hear what sort of things will you build with this. Drop a note in the comments, and thanks for tuning in.